You search how to buy shares of EQV Ventures Acquisition Corp. 2. This video shows the process for a NASDAQ-listed SPAC under the ticker EVAC. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy EVAC, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will have to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before trading. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker EVAC to find the correct listing. Confirm the match by checking the NASDAQ designation and the company name. On the stock page, you'll see basic company details, a price chart, and recent market data. Verify the name and ticker to ensure this is the correct EQV Ventures Acquisition Corp. 2 listing. To place an order, click Invest or Buy. Choose the amount you want to spend, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may become a limit order or execute at the next open. If your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before final confirmation. After confirmation, the position appears in your portfolio and you can monitor it there. For the example link to eToro, check the description below.